Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Question A. We need to find the integration from 0 to number 5 f of s dx. So if we look carefully about this one that is about the combination between the integration from 0 to number 2 and we have the integration from number 2 to number 5. Because number 2 combined with number 2 in here, when we combine two integration, we will have about the integration from 0 to number 5 in here. So this one we have number 4. This one we have number 1. And then we have number 5. And this is the answer for question A. Question B. We want to find the integration from number 1 to number 2. So we have this integration in here. We need to minus about the integration from 0 to number 1. That means we just have only from 1 to 2. So this one we have number 4. This one we have number 6. 4 minus 6 we have negative number 2. Question C. We need to find the integration from 5 to 1 f of s dx. If we look carefully about this one, number 1 is smaller than number 5. So if we want to swap this one go to top and number 1 go to the bottom in here, we need to put the negative sign in here, and we have the integration from 1 to 5. And now we need to find this integration from 1 to 5. So we know that this integration that is about from 1 to 2 plus the integration from 2 to 5. Because number 2 connect with number 2 in here, so we can have the integration from 1 to 5. This integration that is about this one, and we have negative number 2. This integration that is about this one, and we have negative number 1. Now we have negative with negative number 1, so we have positive number 1, and this is the answer C. Now let's go to the last one. For question D, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to 2 dx. Because we don't have number 2 next to the x, so we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equal to number 0, that is from here, so we put number 0 gone here, and we have u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 1, that is from here. So we put number 1 gone here, and we have u equals to number 2. And now we have the interaction from 0 to number 2. us we change by u. ds we change by du over number 2. And this one, we can change back u, go back to s. And we know that this interaction in here, that is about this one. So we put number 4 in here. And we have number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.